Hey there, thanks for coming back for another quick Webflow tip. Now, a common practice, especially for projects that are single page landing pages, is to have nav links that serve as anchor links that scroll to different sections of the page. So in my example here, I have my nav links and I have this about link that will scroll and take the user to this about section. And right now my nav bar is set to position relative. So if I was to go preview this, I can click on the about link and it will scroll down to that about section. Now this changes as soon as I modify the navbar component to be position fixed. So if I made this position fixed, and I'll just add some additional padding vertical on the home hero, I'll make it 10 rem. And if I was to preview this and hit about, you'll notice that now it scrolls slightly past the beginning of the section into the top of the image. Now in this example, it's not that harmful, it just scrolls slightly past the top of the image, but in some situations it could ruin your project by how far down it scrolls on the page and whether or not it scrolls past certain content. Now what you could do to remedy this situation is, let's first go to this section and remove the ID. You can go to the section, and once you remove the ID, you can give it a position of relative, and then what we're going to do is we're going to drop in a div. So you can go Control or Command E and drop in a div block, and we're going to create a utility class called anchor-link. And you can create a utility class because the class name can remain the same. It's the ID that's going to change each time you use it. And we can give this a position of absolute. And you'll notice if we position it to the top of the section, it's now at the top of the section. Now in my example, I know my navbar component has a minimum height of 5 rem. So what I could do is I could take this anchor link and go to this top portion of the absolute position and give it a top position of -5 rem, and go to the settings and give this one an ID of about, and make sure my anchor link is still linked to about. Then if I go in preview, I can click on about, and it will scroll now to the top of the section and not scroll past it, overlapping my image. So there you go, there's a quick and easy way to resolve the anchor link overscrolling issue in Webflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.